he was right. He goes, rare, rare, rare. And it's killing all the birds. Oh, did you see those birds? They're all dying. It's killing the birds.
Oh no.
Oh, look, oh, it was another bird. It's killing the birds. It's a dead bird cemetery. That's probably why this part of the this part of the amusement park.
Yeah.
It's the cheap end. It's they lost 75% of their property value. Ooh, another dead bird. Oh, he's hitting a bald eagle. You see that one?
Yeah.
Oh
So
man, bird eagle, bald eagle, and feathers all over the place.
sad.
I can't watch anymore.